Hi crypto fans, welcome back here with more stuff on the Sui coin, and today I'm going to explain you what's the next moves for Sui coin and what to expect from this one, why and when it's going to pump, and what's the price will be, so you can take profits, make some like futures, so like play some futures, go on and put your longs, shorts and all of that stuff. So let's just quickly have a look when it's going to drop and when it's going to go for another boom, which is probably going to happen because the market cap is still low, and I think it's going for at least double profit to if you go on a spot, and if you go in the futures it can be even like depends on the leverage you're putting in, so also it will be a little drop, and if it goes for a little drop it might be even 4 times profit on the spot trading and much more on the futures. So let's have a look at the stuff we have for Sui coin. But first of all, crypto bubbles. What do we have on an hour chart? The market continues to grow. As of the Bitcoin, let's quickly check out what's the price of a Bitcoin. 28,457, dropped a little bit, but I think the Ethereum is going pretty well. It's 1900, so it's probably the alt moment right now. While the Bitcoin is dropping a little bit, we see the coins, altcoins actually going up, and that's what we could see actually on the crypto bubbles. While Bitcoin at 0%, other altcoins are going up, and that's pretty good. Also Pepe coin just trying to come back as a meme coin, and that's pretty good to see, but still on a day chart is at the low price position. Ethereum is surviving, so probably tomorrow will be the alt day and it's going to grow up. Let's get back to Sui. What's the next move? Let's talk about this one, but first of all, here's what you need to know. Sui is a new lure when blockchain set to go live on May 3rd. Recently, the network has gained significant attention in online crypto circles. The project uses a delegated proof-of-stake consensus mechanism with an altered version of the Move programming language. Additionally, the native token of the network is Sui, with a supply cap of 10 billion tokens. According to the Sui Foundation, only a portion of the entire token supply will become liquid tomorrow when the mainnet launches. The remaining tokens will either be made accessible over the next few years or given out as a stake rewards. The native token will be used to cover transactions, gas costs for staking, and for the network governance. The Sui Foundation managed community reserve will receive a 50% of the tokens. Moreover, a majority of the tokens will go to the project contributors, and 14% will go to investors. Community members will be able to purchase tokens in the early stage of the mainnet. So will Sui token be available in exchanges? And we already know this information, as it's probably the last long post. We already know that it was listed today on the Binance and KuCoin. I mean, trading was opened on the Binance and KuCoin, and the price dropped from that, but that doesn't matter because it just was a high explosion and a fast drop. But what's happening is actually the market cap and the price right there. So right now I think it's definitely, if the Ethereum is going and continue to going up to 2k again, it's probably going to go up a little bit to like 1.5. Then it will eventually drop with an Ethereum, and I think and I expect the price drop to around of the 60 cents price position as the minimum. I'm not telling it's going to drop there, but I think that's the minimum position, as I would say. And if it actually drops, it will be the lowest position, and I will be putting on a long right here, the 60 cents, or around this position somewhere right here or somewhere right here. I'll check it out when it actually drops. If not, the lowest price position is around the 85 cents. That's where I'm betting as well, so I'm probably going to add up to my long position here as well, and might be putting sell off, as it will be the next support point. So the next we're going up on a comeback, and the next support point after it will start recovering will be $1.10, which I'm going to put as well on on a chance of taking profit on a stop loss probably after this all steps. So this will be my last like stop loss, and the last stop loss will be on the 130. From that point it actually will start exploding, and I'll explain you why in a minute. So why I think is going to explode, double profit from the position right now at least, and the maximum of $3, which I'm betting on as well. Some portion of my futures will be going right there once I take profit at around the double profit from now, which is 260, and some portion will be going for $3, which is still a nice profit as well. So probably there won't be more stop losses and only taking profits. So let me explain to you what's going to happen and why it is going to happen as well. On the Arbitrum, the token that was dropping on the bigger exchanges as well, same as Binance, KuCoin and other big exchanges as we could see right there, and what actually is going to happen. So let me explain to you on this chart. It's probably when it listed it dropped down, then it was trying to consolidate, which is going to see it around the 60 cents, but I expect it to be 85 cents and it's not going to be dropping too much. And after that it's probably doubling the price right there, as it's going to explode from that position, and we'll see the double price from the position it was actually in, and you will be taking profits. 1.5 billion market cap, and that's why I say that SUI will double profit. That Arbitrum didn't make it from the listings and all of that stuff, but it actually will be for SUI because right now it's at a low market cap, and Arbitrum already started with a high market cap of around $1 billion. As of the SUI we see 700 million, so 1.6 billion. That's a double profit for us, and after it drops it might be even 4 times profit, which we should expect. So I am going to update you daily on this coin and tell you when is the best position to go in if you want. The spot position is way still the best. I probably think even right now if you bought at a spot position and it's going to drop, you're still getting a double profit from this location. If it drops, you can continue diversifying, buying a little by little at these steps, buying, and then when it starts to go up, you should start selling after the price goes higher than you purchase right here. Little by little you will sell, take profits, and leave some like portions that you purchased over here for your double profit, and from these positions you were diversifying, and you sell at this like positions over here, which will take you another double profit, and in summary it will be around the 4 times profit from the drops that we will definitely get. So this is one of my suggestions, but I'm not telling this is going to happen. So this is not a financial advice, and I'm not explaining you for you to buy, but I expect it to be 1.2 billion in volume. I think a lot will be for this coin, and we're already expecting big moves for this one. But first of all, it will eventually drop before pumping up to 1.5 billion in market cap, which we had on our Arbitrum right there. So we expect the same happening to SUI coin, as the fully diluted market cap for Arbitrum is 13 billion, and the same we have for SUI as well. But I think the actual market cap will rise back to 1.5 billion, not back, but exactly to 1.5 billion, same as Arbitrum. Arbitrum had a high volume as well, around 3 billion. Right now we have a SUI 1 billion, which we had 3 billion on the Arbitrum at the start. SUI has only 1 billion, but I think tomorrow it will be around the 3 billion, so that's the boost will happen. And tomorrow I will update you exactly on my next move, because right now it's hard to tell as it's still consolidating on the same prime position for this coin. So that's all we got for SUI. If you want to trade SUI, you can also go down in description and click out on my referral link for KuCoin and others if you want to trade SUI. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Peace.